everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 25th to the 29th of May 2026 on Monday. Fearing for his life, Clement goes into hiding. Alfred offends Thoko by implying that Celia was a better woman than her. Mapiti shares positive comments about forgiveness to Tibbles on Tuesday. Clement bleeds from nose while taking drugs. A family member warns Phumulo against harming people. Alfred received an unpleasant surprise on Wednesday. Phumulo cancelled his trip back home to attend to a pressing matter. Evelyn searches out someone to win them over and protect herself on Thursday. A traumatic incident at level leaves the staff and customer deeply shaken. Matlase expresses concern over a possibility of Alfred losing his job on Friday. Mantuli receives distressing news about her grandson. Evelyn is disappointed when someone refuses to take sides. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.